Hello everyone, so today I am here at my local Walmart, and I know you can't see the Walmart sign, but whatever. Just trust me, it says Walmart. And today I'm going to see if they have any Team Up products, because I was here yesterday and they didn't have anything, and yesterday was the official release date of Team Up, so let me just show you my watch to show you that it is in fact Saturday the 2nd of February. So it is the day after release date, and we're gonna see what the Pokemon card section looks like today in Walmart. So this ought to be fun. I'll see you in a minute, guys. Hello everybody, so today we're going to open up some Lost Thunder Team Up, because I finally got some. I'm very excited. That one was kind of difficult to open. Interesting, okay. That's what we got out of that cardboard. Here, so really hoping for something good. So yeah, let's see what we can get. There's my little Eevee there. I got my ETBs, and yeah. We also got Gyarados right here, but he was kind of hiding off the camera. Alright, awesome. Trying to see which way I was opening it. It goes this way. Okay. And then the code card is actually going that way, so I'm gonna just take this off here. And then we're going 1, 2, 3 to the front. And flip the energy. Oh, I love the Team Up energies. They're so beautiful. Nice. Okay, so we'll put the energy Spire Gyarados right there. And then here we go. So we got a Omnimite. There, a Kangaskong. Ooh, that's nice. And it has the fast evolution. Nice, sweet. That one's gonna be really good for deck building, so we'll put that over there. A Heliodisc. Nice. Has Nuzlocke Gathering. Once before your turn, before your attack, you may search your deck for a Pokemon that has the Nuzzle attack. Reveal it, put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Interesting. A Mareep. A Vulpix. Oh, that is a beautiful Vulpix. Beautiful, beautiful card. Very, very pretty card. A Joltik. But we're getting a lot of electric Pokemon out of this one. Bitzel. A Zebrakasta. Oh, nice. Really nice. Has that 100. Oh my goodness. This Pokemon evolved from Bitzel. During this turn, this attack does 90 more damage. That's really good. And the rare is another Zebrakasta, which also has a really nice ability, so I think we'll keep those for deck building. That's really good. That's good. Alright. And yeah. So we got some bulk here. So there's some nice pulls actually. Oh, sorry, I was gonna like put the rares up here that we pulled. Bitzel over there, and then our bulk right there. Okay. Next pack. Instead of next box, you know. We got the Celebi and Venusaur pack. Does not want to focus me. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see. Got a Gengar and Mimikyu pack. So we'll see what we get out of this one. That one did not give us a haul, but it gave us 2 rares, so that was decent, but it gave us 2 rares. Alright, let's see what we get out of this one. What are we gonna get, man? Alright, code's going this way, so I'm just gonna take the code off here. Set it off to the side. And we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3 to the front and flip the energy. And we got another purple energy. Interesting. Wonder if we're gonna get like a bunch of electric type Pokemon again. Maybe we are. Ooh, that's a good one. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Brock's Grit. Oh, this is such a good card. Oh my goodness. Brock's Grit is a really super good trainer, so I'm actually counting this one as like a good pull because it is. It's a pretty good pull. Got a Brock's Grit there. Got a Pupitar. Put that over there. And we got another Bitzel. Pararis. Here we got a Bulbay, a Pidgey, a Honedge. Nice. The reverse is a Meowth, and the rare is an Alolan Executor. So we'll put this rare there. Got just another regular rare. That is really badly off-cut. Yeah, that card is badly off-cut. So, anyways. Alright, so we got one more. No, two more packs. This is the Pikachu and Zekrom pack. See if we get anything good out of this one. I'm really hoping so. Alright, we got another Gengar Mimikyu pack art from there. So let's see. See if we can pull anything good. That really hurts. So good. Alright. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna take off the code here real quick. Alright. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3 to the front and energy. Ooh, we got a water energy. That is super beautiful. Alright, and then we got a, ooh, look at that. Nice. Got a water memory. Another Omite. Oh yeah, another Kangaskhan. Definitely want that. Staryu is in this set? Ew. No. Oh, Johnny Joe. A Alolan Geodude. A Pararis. A Joltik. The reverse is a Pidgey, and the rare is Opa. Do 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 do. Alright, finally getting us a little bit of heat here. Finally. Alright, that finally got us something sleeve worthy. How about that? Nice. Not the one that I was hoping to pull, but I mean, hey, it's still a GX, so I'll take it. Alright. And we'll get all the bulk out of the way here. Alright. Last pack is a Mimikyu and Gengar pack. So let's see what we get. Oh yeah! We got the Snorlax and Eevee pack art. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So here we go. Yeah, big noisy. But yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take the coat off here. Just super fast, just like boom. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 to the front. And this one. Ooh, a nice fire energy. Beautiful. I'm gonna let Gyarados hold that. For us, we got a Golduck. And a Doublade. We got a Tentacruel. Another Pochinita. A Nineret. A Pancham. Voltorb. A Klefki. A Ninorina. And the rare is a Hollow Electrode. Alright, it's kind of like hollow on the whole card. You guys seeing that? Strange. Strange how the hollow is like going on the whole card. That's weird. I've never really seen it do that before. Interesting. Alright, well, we kind of got some last pack magic. I mean, at least we got a hollow out of the last pack. But yeah, that's it for today's opening. I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like, leave a comment. I like talking to you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!